In this video I am going to teach you how to make animated gaming overlay of PUBG. So watch till end, it's very important. First of all, open Pixel Lab application and delete the new text. Click on the three dot and image size. First of all, make the ratio to YouTube thumbnail, then change the first ratio 1920 and the second ratio 1080p. If in first the screen looks small, then portrait to your mobile straight and again to landscape. After that, make the background transparent. Then in the shapes option, then stretch it like how much you like it for the overlay, like me, and select the color black. Move it down like me. And then by clicking on this option, lock the black background you selected. After that, click on this plus option from gallery. Then choose this one that I selected. All background PNGs are used, link will be in description. Then adjust it in the black background. And make the opacity to 30 to 35. Then again in plus option from gallery, select the background I selected, the sparkles one. Then also adjust it in the up of the black background. And also lock this all the backgrounds. And also make the sparkles one opacity to 35 to 40. It's looking too good. Also lock this one. Then in text option, write your channel name. Make it large, that how much you want. 50 to 60 is best. Then in my font option, choose the font I am choosing. I will soon upload a video how to get custom fonts in Picsart and Pixel Lab application. Adjust the size by your channel name. My channel name is a bit big, so I am increasing the size. I have written Bend X. I think writing Bend X Gaming will look better, so I am writing Bend X Gaming. I have to make it small though. Then in color, in gradient, select the first color, white, black and white. Slide the white bar to the black one and the black one to the white one, like me. By clicking on the black bar and then in the paint option, choose your favorite color. Cyan is my favorite color, so I am using cyan color. And also make it a bit lighter so it will look good. Also lock the text. Then again click on new text and write Instagram and YouTube. You can also write Facebook. I am writing Instagram and YouTube. After that, also make the color like the first one and select that this font. Adjust it on the right side. Again on the plus option from gallery. Now choose the logo of YouTube or Instagram. I'm using YouTube. Then make it small and adjust in the side of the YouTube. And by clicking on the color option, enable it. Wrong placement for video. Sorry. And by clicking on shadow, choose the color you want. I'll select the color cyan. Oh, first of all, I need to color it my cyan. Then in shadow, enable increase the blur ratio by 2 or 3. Then also do it with the Instagram also. Then lock all this off. From here you need to listen all carefully. First of all, lock all this, and by clicking on this option, off this all. At first, enable your name, and by clicking on this three dot, export image, make the dimensions to ultra and save to gallery. After that, in this option, and lock this your name and enable last three options, and again on this three dot, export image, make the dimensions to ultra and save to gallery. After that, delete all this without Instagram, YouTube and the logos. After that, lock off this all the options, and by clicking on this option, select these three and merge them. And again on this three dot option, export image, make the dimensions to ultra, save to gallery. And now work is on Kinemaster. So let's go in Kinemaster. First of all, select 16:9 ratio. Then add the green screen given in the description. Extend it a bit. Now kindly please follow me. I can't voice over now. Please kindly follow me. And this is for this video. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next one. Peace.